Welcome to the daily meditation. Great to see you all. A lot of us, I know for years, I would dread Monday because I would dread Monday starting Sunday and actually ruin my Sunday dreading Monday. So let's make Monday happy. Let's bring in happiness, a vibration that will hold us throughout the day, even throughout the week, and stop seeing Monday as such a tragedy, but yet another beautiful day to embrace. We will start as always with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a simple guided meditation, and when the silent period's over, you'll hear the chimes so I don't jolt you out of the quiet place. And then as we close and pull ourselves in, we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started being happy that it's Monday. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and start scanning your body from the top of your head all the way down to your feet, just going through. Notice if there's any tightness or discomfort, and where you find any, invite it to relax. Bring your attention to that spot and let it go. Tell it to let go, release. This serves two purposes. One, it releases that point. Two, it shows you how powerful your mind is. Your mind is the builder. Let us take another deep breath and begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Now let's bring our attention right to the center of our body, right to the core, and notice that there is this beautiful stream of energy flowing like a river from the top of our head down to our feet and out. If we look up at this beam, it goes into infinity. If we look down, it goes into infinity. This is the divine sourcing us, always supplying us, always bringing us what we need. So that if any time we don't feel happy, we can always step into this light. We can always absorb the joy, the unconditional love that is there. So let us now bring our attention right into the middle of that stream of energy flowing through us. Feel it rushing over you. Feel it going through your head, pouring through you. Let's follow it now and feel the happiness that comes with it. Now, happiness isn't attached to an outcome. It is a state of mind. It is a choice. We choose to be happy. We are choosing to absorb this energy from the divine. Everything can be falling apart, and we can still choose happiness. So as this beautiful divine energy enters the top of our head and our third eye, which is on our forehead between our eyebrows, feel the tingling, feel the energy shift, feel the vibration as it fills your head. Now that your head is filled, choose to have happy thoughts. Choose to accept, to feel happy. to think happy, to be part of this happy energy. As it moves into your neck, the area of our will, choose the will of God, the will of this divine. And that will is that we are happy. Now watch it and feel it flow through the body as you follow the stream down, energizing all the organs, your arms, your hands, energizing your bones, every cell as it moves gently down your legs and out your feet. To some, this might feel a little unusual because you're not accustomed to accepting happiness, to choosing it. To others, it's a normal state. And for most of us, it's somewhere in between. So while we sit in this beautiful vibration of happiness, choose to have this happiness be with you all day, knowing you are carrying the joy of the divine. Let us sit now and just absorb and be with it. Holding on to that beautiful vibration that we're choosing to keep with us, we send up a thank you to the divine. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this time together. And thank you for helping us hold on to happiness and choose it. And as we bring our attention now back from the energy to our physical being, moving it into our fingers and our toes, pulling ourselves fully together, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and happiness will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye now.